Okie dokie. Review problem number 9. The average goals scored per game are calculated for 20 soccer tournaments. The 20 averages are used to create this box plot. So we've got a box plot again. And remember that that box plots tell us the lowest average number of goals per game, the highest average number of goals per game, that interquartile range, so the middle 50%, and then inside the box, that's where we get the median. So from the box plot, we can get interquartile ranges. Okay, so A, B, C, one of those. But we cannot get the mean from a box plot. We can't get the mean. So we know D is not going to go. The median, and then the minimum and the maximum. So let's go through and check interquartile range first, because our choices are 1.2, 3.2, 3.6. And it could be that none of these are true for the interquartile range. So we're going to check it out. So our interquartile range, the box starts here at 2.8. That's the start of the box. And then the ending of the box is right here at 4. So if we wanted the difference between those two from 2.4 to 4, 2.4 to 4. All right, let's check that out. Oh, sorry, tools, calculator. So 4 minus, oh, 2.8, my bad, 2.8. 2.4 is where the minimum is. 2.8 is the start of the interquartile range. I apologize. 2.8. Boom. And that would be 1.2. So the interquartile range is 1.2 goals per game. So again, the interquartile range starts here at 2.8, the start of the box, and ends here at the ending of the box at 4. So B or C can't be correct because there's only one interquartile range. So those are not going to be correct. And we know D can't work because we can't get the mean from a box plot. So now we can look at the next ones. This one says the median is 3.6 goals per game. Well, we can go back up here. Here is our box. Our median is the line that's inside the box, and sure enough, it lands at 3.6. So this is also true. The minimum is 2.4, 2.4. So F is not true because it says it's 2.8. The minimum is actually 2.4. And then the maximum, 5.6. That's where we end right there, 5.6. And so that is true. And there we have those 3 problems. And we're good. Taking a look at review problem 10. Review problem 10. So this box plot represents the number of hours that 100 surveyed adults watch television in a given month. So it's asking some questions and for some numbers here. Okay. So the first one, what is the smallest value in the data set? Well, we have that number from the box plot. It's the very end piece right here, and this falls at 6. So the smallest value is 6. And then what is the largest value in the data set? Well, we go to the other end of it, and here is the end right there, and that number falls at 78. The median, we're inside the box in that line. The line falls right there at 48. And the first quartile, that means where does the first quartile start? So where's the start on the box? That's quartile 1, and that starts at 18. So the first quartile, we're looking at the starting box right there. Okay. And the third quartile, we're looking at the ending box here, which is 60. And there we go, all of that information from the box